It's the afternoon of May 1 and it's actually a holiday here. So maraming businesses ang closed. I think it's almost 1 p.m. Pero ngayon pa lang ako lalabas. And as you can see, mainit. Ang plan today is to go to a cafe which is about 1 kilometer away. Roughly 20-25 minutes siguro yun. Try ko sigurong i-time yung sarili ko. But for now, I'll be turning this off kasi magpapayong ako. Mainit siya eh. Okay, not yet halfway there actually. But just want to note kasi may shade rito. So dito ako nagtingin. So dun ako galing. Galing ako dun sa area na yon. And if you will note, yan yung sabi kong iconic na building. So nandito sa side niya. We turned left. And now we're going to the place and it's towards that direction. So try ko video pag malapit na. O diba, along the way, may bench. And dito, merong very small playground. Siguro for the kids of people who are living in these buildings. There are so many buildings here. But there are also so many open spaces. May mga benches din doon. So, masaya siya. Actually, sa banda ron, yun, may mga nagbabike and things. So, there. Now, I'm almost near, but I just want to point out na itong area na to mas busy. It's possible dito talaga yung center nila. Although I don't mind kung nasan kami kasi mas tahimik and also very near the train station which we like. And honestly, hindi naman to malayo. Especially na okay naman yung mga walkways. So yan, maraming kainan dito. I might ask Lawrence that we eat here later. Pero I have to check until what time sila open because it's a holiday. So let's see kung open yung cafe na gusto kong puntahan. Otherwise, there are options. And I'm finally here. Open sila. So dito tayo kakain. Pero yan may mga iba pang stores. And actually at the other side, may another cafe doon. Cafe and bakery. Who knows? Baka bukas dyan tayo. And we got my breakfast. I got the Iberico Hub. Hindi ko alam magkano siya, pero I got the Iberico Hub. It comes with the oil and also the tomato. Still waiting for coffee. Tapos nag-order pa ako ng something sweet na pastry, but let's see. And this is the dessert, the sweet bread with cheese. I would have wanted the one without cheese, but there it is. And I still have coffee. Time to go. As you can see, ang init today. Pero di ba, nakakatuwa. So, yan siya. Mainit pero malamig ang hangin. May mga shops pa dun sa other side. What I plan is, tatawid na ako rito kasi dun sa side na yun din talaga yung way ko. And also, mas may shade sa other side. So, let's go! Kunin ang payong. I decided, lagi ko na lang yung payong sa loob. In any case, most of the walking area or walking path is shaded anyway, and siyempre mainit ang araw pero malamig ang hangin. In fact, pag umahangin medyo nilalamig ako, pero yan, so nice. Andun na ulit yung iconic building natin. In fact, I'm thinking dapat dala na lang ako ng cup kesa sa payong kasi siyempre mas intindihin ang payong kesa sa cup. A thought just crossed my mind na what if dito sa area na to makakuha si Lawrence ng place to stay. Although the way I see it, karamihan mga bago and probably quite expensive. But this is the area where I think it makes sense to have an umbrella kasi it's pretty much no shade until we are near the hotel. So, papayong na ulit ako. Just outside the hotel restaurant. That's a hotel restaurant inside there. They have also this outside seating. And think, pwede naman ako dito magstay. Gusto ko lang magsulat. Meron ding bench doon. Pero I prefer here kasi nga gusto ko magsulat. Yun yung side entrance. Although mukhang nakalock siya. But yes. Welcome Saturday! It's now May 2 and breakfast here also in the hotel restaurant together with Lawrence kasi muulan. The weather is very gloomy, in fact maambon and malamig sa labas. Okay, time for us to go out for a bit. Last day namin ngayon dito sa hotel. Mag-transfer kami ng Airbnb para medyo mas may space. But before that, since the usual, mas maaga ang check-out and then mas late pa ang check-in, punta muna kami dun sa may center para kumain. Okay, let's go. Si Lawrence hindi pa nakagala dyan sa area na yan. So yan buti hindi maaraw, pero maliwanag. Tsaka malamig pa rin. So, masarap maglakad. Actually, maraming naglalakad, nagja-jog, nagbabike. So, yan. Meron silang mga plants na ganyan.
Lumalabas na si Araw.
O nga, lumalabas na si Araw. Although, syempre, mas maganda siyang tignan kapag may araw. So, dito kami nag-end up rather than yung originally gusto namin kainan. Kasi, so yan, dito nga kami end up. Kasi kailangan ng reservation halos sa lahat ng pinuntahan namin. Dito, they let us in kahit na wala kami reservation. Isa sa na dumarating mga orders namin. I got the ebi fry and si Lawrence kumuha rin ng karaage. Meron pa siyang sombrero. Of course, kailangan may white rice. Ayan.